Thank you so much for joining me on Eric's storm forecast. Uh, Good afternoon, everybody. Uh, let's go ahead and have a look at our weather forecast, and I'm going to go ahead and tell you exactly what we're going to be expecting now. We're not going to be expecting anything big or major or anything like that. I'm going to go ahead and point out and tell you what we've got going on here. You can see over in the north, way over in the northeast, they've got the showers and the thunderstorms that Michigan had a couple days ago, and that's actually ahead of a cold front, and that's basically what brought our temperatures down. So that is going to go to the northeast. That's not going to be bothering us. So that's actually a good sign. So we're going to be drying out. Today, as a matter of fact, today is mostly cloudy. Today, not a lot of sunshine outside today. Mostly cloudy skies today. And I'm going to take you flying now. Let's go over way out into the Midwest. Out here, I'm going to go ahead and zoom in and show you what we've got going on. Now, I also wanted to let you know that not only are we going to be monitoring the weather, but we do have that possibility of severe weather on Friday in the high plains. So that is in particularly something that I will be watching. So this is the storm that is exiting in the northeast. You can see that it has left Michigan. So we're all drying out from all the rain that we had. We did have strong and severe thunderstorms in southeast Michigan and even in upper Michigan. They had some stormy weather up there as well, but we're getting a break from that, so we don't really have to worry about anything severe for the most part. But this is going to be the next storm system that we're basically keeping a very close eye on. And Friday, it looks like things are probably going to get a little bit more interesting. I'm going to let you know how interesting the severe weather pattern is going to go. I'm going to let you know what the upcoming pattern is going to be, what we're going to be expecting. But you can see that this is actually coming together. But furthermore, I'm going to go ahead and zoom in here for just a second. There's not really going to be a huge deal of severe weather whatsoever. That is actually my prediction right there. It's not widespread. It is basically a marginal risk of severe weather in this section over here. Marginal risk of severe weather, where you can see it in the green area, and that's right over where those upper level lows are actually looks like they're gonna either come together or combine together. We'll have to keep a very close eye on that. That it's probably going to be very interesting, and I'll let you know if it gets any worse than that. Way over in the northeast, they're dealing with marginal risk of severe weather, so you might get an isolated severe storm or two, and there's even a slight risk of severe weather in the northeast. And this is basically the same system that brought us the strong and severe thunderstorms. Just about everybody in Michigan got a little bit more than what we were anticipating for the day that we had our severe weather. So I'm going to let you know if that is going to be a repeat. And I will see you guys again with another weather update at 4 p.m. So please stay tuned for the very latest. I will keep you posted, and I'll have all the latest up-to-date information and severe weather developments as they happen. Stay tuned, and if I get more info on the severe weather threat, and if we're going to see any big-time severe weather makers, any widespread dangerous storms, you'll be the first ones to know. Thank you so much for joining me. on Eric's storm forecast. We'll be right back in just a few minutes. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please take the time to do so. I do take a lot of time working on these videos, filming them, and everything else. And comments are also welcome as well. And please leave some likes. I would like to see some likes up there. I would like to see some comments. The reason why I say comments is because of the fact I want to know how I'm doing as far as forecast goes and everything else. I do the very best to my ability to make it as accurate as possible. But when we have severe weather events, the forecast will be a little bit longer than expected, and I will be doing another live stream in just a little bit on the action that you can see on the screen. So make sure that you stay tuned for that, and there'll be a live stream on what we can expect for severe weather-wise for the high plains, and we're going to let you know who's going to get hit, and out of the same area is going to get hit all over again. We'll let you know this is going to be a big one, and I'll stay tuned, and I'll have further developments on the severe weather. Thank you so much for joining us for this update, and I'm your host, Eric. You guys have a great day. We'll see you again at 4 p.m. with the rest of the weather forecast. And please, if you have not had the chance to do so, please remember to hit that subscribe button, and you will also receive notifications when I upload a video. I would love to have you aboard on my channel, so please stay tuned. We'll see you again at 4 p.m. with all updates on the weather and much more.